Bellemain desktop mug warmer for coffee, tea, cocoa, soup, scented candles or wax. 1001 uses designed to heat everything from coffee to candles, roasted coffee, scented candles, depilatory wax. Everything performs better with heat. This large 3.5 heating surface brings any heat-safe container to the perfect temperature, quick. Tested for safety, quick cool technology, non-slip. Don't risk your safety with unsafe mug heaters. Standing on non-skid feet, this mug warmer's safety heating surface heats up in an instant when turned on and cools off quickly the instant you flip it off. Don't rush, drink life in as it comes. Sometimes all you want is to sit with a cup of coffee warming your hands. Life has other plans. The perfect mug warmer for desk, home or studio. Now you can get the kids fed without sacrificing your cup of joe. No worry, design, effortless clean up and use. To use, just plug in and flick the on-off switch. Constructed with a brushed silver plastic edge and black heating surface, any spills are easy to wipe up in an instant. 2-year hard warming buyback warranty. Our promise to you is simple. Our mug warmer will work as it's engineered to work, efficiently, effectively, and safely. If for any reason it does not meet and exceed your expectations, we will buy it back from you for a full refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.